शकता म्हणजे?
ऑगस्टाच्या 6 म्हयन्याचेर आमी एक मर्डर रजिस्टर केल्ली चिकलीन. थंय एका आवयन आपल्या 14 म्हयन्याच्या भुरग्याक मारिल्लें आनी मागीर ती आपूण जुवारी ब्रिजाचेर सुसायड करपाक गेल्ली. First she had attempted to commit suicide by cutting her veins, and after that she had murdered her child, and thereafter she had proceeded to Zuari Bridge and tried to commit a suicide, wherein one DBL staff had rescued her. And further the Agasaim police shifted her to GMC Bambolim, and thereafter from GMC Bambolim she was sent to IPHP Bambolim because she was under some depression and all. So in this connection we had registered a murder under section 302, and magir more than 1 month she was taking treatment in the IPHB. So in the meantime she had gone for the anticipatory bail also in the children court, wherein her anticipatory bail was rejected by the court. And after 2, 3, 4 days, by taking into consideration the health of the accused, doctor has discharged her today. And after discharging, we have taken the custody of the accused Nimisha Walson, and we have brought her at the police station. And further, we have interrogated her in this crime, and she had admitted of commission of the crime, and she had admitted that she had murdered her child. So we had placed her under arrest in the crime, and our further interrogation is in progress.
Sir, any motive be कितें ascertain जाल्लो आसा कित्याक लागून काय कितें?
There is no any particular motive, but she is telling that she was in the depression, and in that she had committed the said act.